everything started already. Okay, fine. So we have our CSS folder here. Okay, so CSS folder. So inside this folder, actually, we have created only one file, which is index.html, and we have written one style.css, isn't it? Okay, so this is actually for the what is it? Types of CSS, right? And today we are going to see about the selectors. Clear? So for that, I'm going to create another one file called selectors.html. Okay. For this file, I'm going to write one style sheet. Okay. Selectors.css. Clear? And for this one, okay. Yeah. Exclamation. And we have got this one. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Selectors and CSS. Okay. Link. Okay. So we have got everything perfectly. Let us also see the output. Yes, okay, so we have got it perfectly. Fine, but I just want this page to get here. But how can I keep it? Okay, let it be. Okay, no other go. Actually, we needed to just have like this only because we need to see the output as well as this template also has to be used here. Isn't it seems okay from the team actually. Team asked me to put this template and take the class. I mean, not only me, actually, to all the trainers they have announced. Okay, clear. Okay. Okay. So selectors, isn't it? So first selectors. Okay. First selector is universal selector. Okay, which is universal selector, which is start. Okay, to select the complete whole web page itself. Okay, for that actually universal selector. Let us just select this one and write something. See here, see the difference. Okay, so when I give padding, by default they actually have given something, isn't it? So let us just put the margin 0. Okay, this is how we actually do. See here. Okay, padding by default. I just need to make everything 0. Okay, for that purpose, we can just use this universal selector. Clear? And universal selector, and we can just give any designs as well. Okay, so background pink. Okay, so like this we can give anything else. Okay, anything else can be given. So color, okay, of the text. Okay, text color can be brown. Okay, so like this we can give as an universe. Okay, so for the complete uh, content, okay, what all the content we are going to write in this web page. Okay, so that is going to be in this color. Background color is pink. Okay, so padding should be 0. So we should not have any padding or margin. Okay, for this page. And next, okay, whenever we want to go for any other, okay, we can just do the modification, which is the overridden values also would be taken. Okay, we can override this values so that by default, I just need these many things, okay? But in the future, we can just override with any other colors or any padding or any margin for particular small box or small any other things, okay? That is in the future only. But by default, I just needed to get 0. Clear? One second. I need to get 0 for the web page. Clear? So, okay, next does ID selector. Okay. Okay. Tag selector. Sorry. Element selector. Okay. Not tag selector. It is element selector. So what is meant by the element selector? Simple. H2. Okay. Let me just take the H2 alone. H2, and if I write anything, okay, font family, okay, cursive, clear? We have got it. Font weight, already it is in the weight only, okay, so that is why we are not able to get this one. Yes, okay, fine. Let us also overwrite the color, okay, color, chocolate. Yeah, okay, so has got overridden. Okay, background of this one alone, okay, of this H2 alone. So background color, hmm, yes, okay, let it be, okay. Any colors, I just need any colors, yes, okay. See here, perfectly, we have got only for this H2, okay. So this is called as the element selector, okay. Next, ID selector, for that, let us just put one paragraph for H3, okay. Uh, okay. Non-semantic. Resulted for the designing purpose, we use this. Clear? Okay, let it be. Okay, we'll speak about the paragraph later on because I just wanted to tell you something when we use the paragraph. Okay, fine. So health is wealth. Okay, so we have these many things, right? Okay, this is H2 itself, H2, no, H5, H4. Okay, yes, okay, small. Okay, fine. And see, guys, here ID selector, isn't it? So ID, okay, and here head. Okay, so I have given the head here. So I'm going to just to select this one. So how to select? Obviously, okay, we know, right? Hash, okay, head. Okay, like this, we need to select. And for this one, isn't it? So for this one, clear. So what we need to do is like color green, okay, background color. Oh, we have got these many colors. Has got upgraded, I think. So. It's not that percent, okay. This is also not that great, okay. Let us just put the white kind of a color, okay. Yes, okay. See here, so we have got some difference, isn't it? So like this, actually, we can select the ID, okay. Next, spelling mistake, okay. ID selector. Next, it is class selector, okay. Yes, these are all very, very important, guys. And after this, we are going to see some other, a few other as well. Okay, they are not that important, but we need to do. Yeah. Okay, class selector. Further, actually, what we need to do is like, let me just put the class for this one as well. And see the thing, okay. Head one, okay. Let us just put else, let us put heads. Okay. Yeah, okay. So for this, dot, okay. For the class, we need to use dot. Okay. It's so here let us have the color black. Okay, background color maroon. Okay, so we have got, but we didn't select the span, isn't it? So that is why we have got the same color as this one. Okay, so just avoid this one. Okay, not required to know about this. for now. Okay, so class selector, we have selected and have written this one as well. Clear? And for this as well, in case if you wanted to give the class, okay, class heads, then the same color will be, okay, see here. We have got the same color for the span as well, okay. And see guys, okay, and ID always gets the first priority, okay, first priority, and class, okay, next priority, simple, not second priority, not next priority. Clear? So here, in case if I wanted to put the class heads, see here, even though we don't get the color of this one, okay, this one's color only will get. Clear? Even though if I put it in the second as a second option as well, okay, no, we will not get the preference to the class, okay, in case if we have the ID for that particular element, okay, ID always gets the first priority, and next the class gets. Clear? So next paragraph. For the paragraph, actually we have something called lorem ipsum. Okay, lorem ipsum. Actually, for the developers, okay, for making the designing purpose. I mean, for the designing purpose, developers would tend to write 2,000 words or 3,000 words or 5,000 or lakh words as well. Okay, but he will not be able to. He doesn't get the content in his mind, isn't it? So for that, actually, what for that purpose, browser gives you something. Okay, I mean, website we have one website called Lorem Ipsum. Okay, which is a dummy content which doesn't give any meaning. Clear? So here actually we can load, okay, by ourselves. So we can give 10 words alone from the Lorem Ipsum website. Please generate 10 words. Okay, please generate 20 words. Please generate 12 words. Like that, we can just give, okay, request. So, so that what happens, browser gets into this website, okay, Lorem Ipsum website. It's some website, official website, and takes, okay, generate the words, okay, how many words we request, okay. So here, just 10 words, okay, and generate it and provide it to us. Clear? But we don't need to go to the website and take the words and all for the simple lines, okay. We can just go ahead with writing, okay, inside the paragraph directly and can use it as well in our application. Clear? So it is not applying in the application, which is for the testing purpose. We can just go ahead, right? So for the designing purposes, so designing would be like, wait one second. Okay. So here in the designing part, okay. So here I just need some code, okay, and blog websites, isn't it? So for the blog websites and all, we need to write some content, isn't it? As the users in how the users actually write the content. The same way we need to write the content and see. Correct. So for that, okay, it would be very, very helpful. So Lorem Ipsum. Okay, so we don't need to just think about the content, okay, like how I actually have got the content, right? So health as well, the smoking cause cancer. Like that, I actually have used many contents for that, okay, instead of writing these many contents by thinking, okay, we can just take the generated one from the dummy content website, okay, that dummy content website's name is Lorem Ipsum. I hope you people have got clear. Hmm? Yes, clear. Guys, is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear then? What did I say?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. That's all. Okay, so we have got this one. And okay, what else we have? 1 second, guys. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, 1 second. So, guys, to put the things in comment, okay? Control plus a slash. Okay, so don't forget. Child selector. Child selector. Okay. Actually, we don't have any child. Okay, we have only the body, right? We have the body. Okay, let me just write this one inside the development so that we will get the container and inside this one. Okay, fine. For the container, let us just write the class container itself. Okay, container. Okay, container, and inside this we have written the child. Okay, let us just have the div also, else we can put the class. Okay, so that is also as possible. So let us just do this one first using the div. Okay, yes, paragraph. Okay, and for that, let us just have the color. Okay, I'm going to just take only the colors. Okay, for today. Okay, so this is called as the child selector. So the symbol. Clear. Mhm. Okay, this symbol. This is the child selector symbol. This is actually for the equal to I have used mark. Okay, so don't get confused, Justin. Okay, fine. Let me just take everything. Yeah, okay. So less than symbol. Clear? And next. And one second. So for this one, we have taken like this. And a dot container. So like this also we can put. Okay. Else don't need to put this less than symbol also. Okay, this actually works perfectly. Clear? This is also another one option. But let me just put this one for your reference. Clear? Let it be. And, okay, so overridden. Clear? Previously was this one, okay, and now we have overridden the values. Yeah, and this one also can be written like this, right? This. Fine. Yeah, we have got it perfectly. Next, what else we have? A descendant selector. Descendant selector is. Mm, one second. We can just have something like 1 second. Anchor tag. Okay. What it is? Okay. Click here. Okay. So like this, I have something. Okay. So this is the descendant. Okay, to the div. Div elements descendant. Okay. So how to write it? So we can just write like this. Okay. So dot container. Uh, okay. Containers. A. Simple. Okay. So and I just need to choose the A. Okay. So I have written like this. Border radius 20. Clear? We have got this round one. Okay. Text decoration. None. Okay. Underline. Okay. So we have got rid of that underline. Okay. Underline has got vanished. And text decoration again. Transform. Okay. Uppercase. Okay. See, we are able to get the design only for that particular A. Clear? That is called as the descendant. So let me just write the syntax here. Okay, not the syntax actually. 1 second. How to write this one actually? Okay, 1 second. Diff. Okay, paragraph A. Okay, and here we need to write like diff. Okay, and the this thing isn't it? Yes. Okay, this is how we need to write for selecting the diff inside the paragraph. I mean, inside the paragraph, actually, we have one anchor tag. Okay, that has to be selected for that. Okay. Next, what else we have? Adjacent sibling selectors. Yes, okay, sibling selectors. Okay, for this one, actually, we don't have any siblings, correct? Okay, 1 second now.
Ma'am, what is the use for div container? It's only we are using it for the paragraph.
For the designing purpose, now. It is for the designing purpose, not only for the paragraph. No, inside this one. Okay, so this is going to be the container, right? Okay, fine. 1 second. For the div. Okay, yes, we actually have another one task, okay, using the div. So you will be able to understand it perfectly. 1 second, guys. Okay. So inside the container only, we have written all these things, correct? 1 second. From the selectors, right? So these many content we have written. 1 second. Let me just delete this comment. Okay, commented it. Yes. Okay, the complete content we have written inside the div only. Okay. See here how I'm going to design this div. Okay, this container, the container. Okay. So we have given the class name. So I have selected with the dot container. Okay. So width of this container is going to be like okay, 80% itself. Let me just keep. Okay. So from body's complete width 80%. Okay, completes and 80% only I have given. Okay, see here, watch this one carefully. Okay, height. Okay, 200 pixel. 400 pixel. Okay, fine. Okay, border. Okay, border. Guys, I'll tell you guys everything. Okay, for now, just no need to know all these things. Okay, so see here we have got okay, 200 itself is enough. Clear? Now we will be able to understand what is going to be the container now. See, for the container alone, okay, we can just give the things like this. 1 second. Background can be changed. Okay, with a dark pink. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually the container, and move this container to the center. Margin. 50 pixel auto. Guys, I'll tell you guys later on. Okay. For the purpose of asking, I have did what is meant by the container. Okay, we can bring the container. So why we need this containers to group some elements, simple. Okay, and we need to just put that those many elements inside one box, and that box can be moved to anywhere else in the on the web page. For that purpose, we use the div container. Okay, div as a container. Clear? Clear enough? Yeah? No? Not it clear? Clear?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yeah, got it.
Hmm?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, got it.
So this is actually for the particular style. So I just needed to put these many elements alone, okay, in one box. And for that box, I just need to give some colors, some designs, okay. And we can just move that box as well. And don't consider about the designs and all, okay. I'll tell you guys later on. Hmm? Don't get confused yourself. Okay. Fine. What else is there? Okay. Next one is the sibling selector. Okay. Okay. See, guys. Okay. A div element as the parent element. Okay. So understand the flow of this project. Okay. I mean, flow of this the design. Okay. So see here, body is actually a parent of the div. Correct? Agree with this, right? And the div is the parent of these four. Okay. And these four people, okay, four elements are the siblings to each other. Correct? Correct? Okay. Who's the parent of the body, ma? If you would have understood this one perfectly, you can answer for this question. Who is a parent of the body?
The HTML.
Very good.
HTML.
Very good. Super. Hmm, super. Very good. So HTML is a parent. Okay. And who is a sibling to this body?
Head.
Head.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Same story here as well. So div is a parent here. Okay. And this one is actually a parent for div. Div is a parent of these four children. Clear? And these four children are siblings to each other. Clear? And who's this then for these four children? Who is the body for these four children? What is the relationship? Think about your family and tell me. Your mother's mother. Hello, confusion.
Grandparent.
Parents.
Very good. Okay. So she is actually a mother of these four people. Okay, and she is a mother of this. I mean this person. Okay, this mother. Okay, she is the mother of this one, and she is a grandmother of these four people. Okay, four children. Simple. So you need to just understand this one. Okay, we can get this sibling selectors very easily. Clear. See here. For this sibling, we have one H4. Okay, again another one H4. I'm going to write here. Okay, after this and after this one as well. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, then water. Any proverbs, please? Hmm. Practice makes man perfect. This actually suits you guys well, right? Suits us well, for me as well. Okay, so I'm going to just to take this H2 and siblings. Okay, so these three siblings I'm going to select and do the design. Clear? So that is what. Mm, 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 mm. What is it actually? H2, right? It's H2. Okay, let me just do the element selector itself directly. Okay, sibling selector H2. Okay, and the tilt symbol. Okay, shift plus backtick. Hmm? Backtick under your escape key. Okay, we have the tilt symbol, isn't it? That one. Clear? H4. And for all the H4s, I just need, okay, this thing. So where are, yeah, see here, health is wealth, blood is thicker than water, and practice makes man perfect. Okay, I'm just going to make all the things maroon. Okay, and see the difference. Oh my God, I'm not able to see the difference. What happened? H2 and for these many things. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. No. Do we have the ID here? Do we have the ID here? Yes, that is the thing. Okay, so delete the ID. Yeah, see here, we have got it. Okay, class and ID. Okay, I didn't select anything. Yeah, see here. Okay, we have got it perfectly. Okay, so white or wheat. Okay, okay. We actually have got this one perfectly and border radius or else margin. Okay, so just to put margin. Margin. Okay, margin 10 pixel. Okay. So see here, so we have got one space, okay? Yes, okay. So see here, so we have got one space, okay? And about the padding, okay, we can do anything else, 20 pixels, so that we'll get the padding. Yeah, see here, okay, inside the box we have the padding, and outside the box we have got the margin, okay? I'll tell you guys later on about all these things, okay? Don't consider at present. I'll tell you guys later on this. Okay. We can just do the designs like this as well. We can select the siblings. Okay. By using the tilt symbol. Okay. So how to use this one? 1 second. Okay. Sibling selector. Done. We are able to see the difference. Correct. Okay, next, what else we have? Adjacent selector. Okay, adjacent does, okay, in case. Okay, let us just take this one and write it here. Okay, where the H4 itself is. Okay, adjacent does first, I think so, child only. Not like that, sorry. Okay, sibling only. Okay, the first sibling. That's all. So the very nearest sibling to the H2. Okay, only that one we are going to select. Okay, so H2 and okay, plus sorry, H1. Oh my God, H2 only, correct? H4. Okay, the very nearest. Okay, very nearest one. Adjacent selector. Okay, that's going to be the plus. What is the meaning is very nearest sibling. Clear? Was called as the adjacent selector. Done. So very nearest. So let us just put the color. This one, yeah, for this one only. Okay, first one. Help us, isn't it? Okay. Okay. See here. So these are all okay. So didn't reform. Only this one has got a green color. Okay. See here. Rounded, rounded. Okay, fine. Width. 200 pixel. Height also 200 pixel. Okay, see here we have got the circle. Okay, line height 100 of pixels so that we will get the content. Okay, 400 strike is also we can do correct. So we can just do the designs like this. Okay, I'll tell you guys about the designs and all later on. Text align center. Oh, okay. Help us. Actually, wealth has gone here. Correct. Okay. Something actually we have used. Okay. Else we can just put the font size. Font size 10 pixel alone. Yeah. Okay. So yes, perfectly we have got everything. Okay. So this one isn't it? It's margin. For this one alone, I just need to place this one center of this box. Okay. So for that margin again, what we need to do is like a 10 pixel auto. Okay, it will come in center. Yeah, okay, so we can just do the designs only for the nearest sibling. Okay, so don't do all these things and all. Okay, so come on, take that. Okay, no need to understand now. We'll see it later on. Clear, guys? At minute changes, we can just get, isn't it? It's a border radius 10 pixel. Done? Yeah, we have got the minute difference. So understood about the selectors, ma? Do you have any doubts? I'll give you this complete code, okay? Guys, do you have any doubts? Shall we?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
the span element in the H3 tag, you have written span element, right? Span will be the child of H3, then H3 will be the parent of that. Is it like that?
H3 is a parent of the span, yes.
Okay.
Correct only. Correct only. Okay.
Okay.
In the inner HTML, isn't it? So see here, guys. Okay. H3 has the inner HTML, correct? So 1 second. See here. This is the starting tag, right? So opening tag. This is the closing tag, correct? And in between this opening tag and the closing tag, we have some space, correct? This is space. Okay, this is the space. Correct or not? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In this space, if we write another one element, okay, that is the child element of this parent, this element. Simple only, correct only. Okay, and we
So,
can write the content.
so span and anchor tag will be siblings in that way? No, it is a different parent.
Where's anchor tag here?
In the paragraph.
This is actually a parent of this anchor tag. This is different, and this one is different.
Okay, okay.
Separately, okay, independent to each other. Independent siblings, actually. This is independent sibling, this is independent sibling to each other. Clear? This is a child of this parent. This is a child of this parent. Okay, we can write another one as well here. Image, we would have seen the image here, correct? Image also we would have seen. So that also can be written here. Clear? Like this, we can just get. So this is a parent, child, grandchild. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Else, the element parent. Okay. Grandparent. Okay. Like this also you can consider. Done? Clear? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be. Okay. Click here. Let it be because we just need to see the content here. Okay. Yeah. So do you people have any other doubts, Ma? Shall we go to the font? Don't consider about these many designs, okay? So these many collaborations, don't see. Okay, I actually have read this one for to just to make you people understand about the design, I mean, not about this lines and all, okay, not about the code, just to see the design here. Okay, in the page design for this particular H4. Clear? To make some difference, I have given these many designs. Okay, so do you have any doubts, Da? Shall we go to the font? Next topic. Font is very, very easy only. Okay, you're not going to concentrate on the fonts and all. So obviously, okay, you will get to the HTML fonts itself. Okay, let us also see. Okay, speak about it. Okay, very, very easy one. HTML. Okay, next font.css. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. So open this one on the web page. Okay, fine. Let us just go to the paint and we'll show you guys. Okay, something we'll speak about the fonts. Okay. Fine. What else we have for the font is okay, serif, sans serif, and monospace. Okay, serif. First is the serif. So what is the meaning for this one is extra stroke. Okay, so just draw here, see here. Okay, so see guys. Okay. Okay, this is actually the serif one. Okay, serif. Okay, serif. Next, sans serif. Okay, so these three families are the basic families we have for the font. Okay, sans serif actually no extra space. Clear? So it will be like this. Oh my God, okay, let's see here. Okay, simple. That's all. Okay, and next one. Okay, it is actually sans serif. I'll write it later on. Okay, let me just draw it first. Okay, so here, okay, in case if we have the mean monospace, isn't it? It's a monospace. Okay, watch it carefully. Okay, M. Okay, M is the highest width. Okay, what is meant by the width is this one only the width. Correct? The horizontal one is the width. Horizontal size is the width. Okay, and the vertical is height. Correct? And the box height. Okay, we have one box. that box is width, okay, width is actually 100 and height is 80% of that, correct? So that is how actually here it is 80% of the width we have the height, okay? So you don't need to understand this and all. What is meant by the height and the width? That's all. Okay, height is this size and width is this one size, okay? The slanting one. Clear? And not required, yes. Okay, the width of the highest width element. Okay, the width is going to given for all the elements. Clear? So like this mono. Okay, so like this is. Okay, like this it is going to happen. So highest width of the letter, okay. One letter, anyway, only one letter is going to be the highest width, contain highest width, isn't it? So any one of the letters are going to contain the highest width. The same width is going to given for the remaining width, remaining letters as well. Clear? Clear, guys? So understood. I actually hope you people have understood this one perfectly. Okay. So sans serif, isn't it? So let me just write sans. Okay. Serif and monospace. Simple. Okay. So we are going to just to see it in the family. Okay. So let us just to get into the topic and see. Okay. For this one itself, it has just to do the design. Okay. So H1, correct. H1 font family. Okay. 1 second. Where is it? Yes. Serif. Okay, so serif. See here, Times New Roman. Okay, by default it is the the Times New Roman only. Okay, serif. So family name. Okay, and these are all the font name. Okay, font name. So two names are there, and at the last argument. Okay, so we have got the family name. Why we have these two? Okay, in case first one wouldn't not be which is like is not able to generate from the website. Okay, first font is not able to generate it. Okay, from the website, so that actually the second argument will be taken. Okay, for like that actually a few fonts would be given, and the last argument the family name would be given. Clear? So we have got the extra stroke. See here, so strokes and all extra strokes we have given. Okay, and what about the sans serif family? So let us just have the sans serif family. Sans serif, yes. Okay, see here, we don't have the extra strokes. Okay, and what about the monospace? Isn't it? So Courier new. Okay, monospace. See here, Courier new. See the equal width. Okay, this actually takes the equal width of the highest letter width. Okay, highest width letter. That letters width itself would be given to all other letters. Clear? So that is the difference between these three, and we get multiple font names. Okay, then only we'll get the family name. Clear? And some fantasy font families and all are there. Okay, what else? Actually cursive. Okay, so these are all fantasy. Okay, monotype cursiva. Okay, so that is the case in the cursive. See, okay, and next one is something actually we have like fantasy. Yes. Okay, fantasy. So we have the fonts like this as well. And in case if you don't like to take the font from here, okay, we have another one option also. It is just to go to the Google Fonts and can take it. Google Fonts. Okay, so here we have the fonts perfectly. We can just take it from here. Okay. Writing something and choosing the font. Okay, we just write my name itself and select. See here, we can just go ahead with these many fonts, isn't it? So we can just take the fonts from here as well. We can generate it. Yes, this one is perfect. Okay, it is like my handwriting only. Seriously, I actually write like this one in my notes. I have got many prizes as well in my school times for my handwriting. But head written wouldn't be not like that. Okay. Very, very worst head written I have. Okay, fine. Get font. Okay. And get embed code. Mm, 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 mm. We can just download it and also use it. Okay. And we can just get the embed code like this. Copy this one completely and put it in your HTML. Okay, after this or before this, okay, not at all a problem. Mm, yes. Okay, and next take the code. Simple. Okay, take the code. Code also is going to be copied. Correct. Why it is not working? Okay. Okay, weight should be given. Okay, so that is the problem. I think so. Okay, let us just give a weight. 600. It's okay. Font style. Font style. Okay, normal or anything else. Okay, let us just see the fonts here. Not able to see. Okay. Actually, what is it? 1 second, please. 1 second. Okay, font styles. Yes. Okay, so has been given here. Italic only. Okay, just to put the italic. Simple. And try not to set. This will not will be not able to get it, isn't it? Hmm. Why not able to select this? Perfectly, we have selected correct. Import. One second now. So just ignore this one. Okay. Okay. Yes, we have got it. Okay, so perfectly we have got it here. See here, isn't it? So we can just take this one itself as a style. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay, but we haven't been getting that one correct. Okay. Okay. Yes. Clear, guys? So this is how we need to use it. So obviously we have got it here directly. So font family, font size, we can just take any size. Okay, color, line height, we can just change the colors. Line height and all is not that important. You can just take it. Okay, not at all important. Next one, this font size. The size is also not important. Yes, we just need to take the font family alone. Okay. So okay, fine. Let us just take this one. Importing it, and again another one style also has been written. Okay, just to take this one. Okay, and just to put it here. Yeah. Okay, have got it perfectly clear. So this is how we need to just use it. So in case if we want to add some other, okay, so font weight also can be added, isn't it? This and okay, so like this we can just add it whatever we want. Correct? Yes. Okay. Yeah. So we can just take it from the Google fonts as well. Okay, from the Google also we can take the fonts. Yes. So do you have any doubts in the font writing? But your people are not going to do all these things. Okay, when you create an application, yes, obviously, okay, we just need some different font from the website. Okay, we can just go ahead with the fonts which we have been getting in the website itself. Okay, but for the practice purpose, you are going to just use it from the HTML only, in CSS only, CSS basic fonts. Clear? And tomorrow we are going to see about the colors. Okay, that will be a little bit interesting than today's class. Today's class also was interesting, I think so. Okay, so let us just see you guys. Let me meet you guys tomorrow with the new topic. Okay, colors. And what else we have? And one stress activity is there. Okay, to understand the development better. And then we are going to get into the main topics. Yes, we are going to see about the text. Okay, so line height and all I have used, right? So line height, caps. Okay. So some things and all are there. Okay, so we will see tomorrow with the colors and the chessboard activity. Okay. Yeah. So do you have any doubts, Ma? Clear for you all?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you. You too, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am. Bye.
you. Bye. Bye. Bye.